To get going with Cerebral, it can be a good idea to use the boilerplate. The boilerplate will get you up and running very quickly. It is based on Webpack, which is an application bundler. Webpack allows us to use ES 2015 consistently across browsers, and we get all the tools we need to build a production version of our application. The boilerplate also includes a node development server. That means you can easily create APIs to communicate with a database or maybe just some responses with fake data. No matter what backend you end up using, it is a really good idea to have a node development server in your project. The example application runs on some specific Cerebral packages. We use Baobab as our model layer, and of course Cerebral as the controller, and React as the view layer. That means we have now configured the platform we want to build our application on. The Baobab, Cerebral and React packages is everything we need to store state, change state, and display that state as part of a user interface. If you prefer replacing Baobab with Immutable.js or React with Angular, you are of course free to do that. With our platform ready, we can start to think about our actual application. With Cerebral, we recommend that you think modules building your application. Cerebral's shared modules makes it very easy to include existing functionality from the ecosystem. An example here being the router. The boilerplate already includes an application-specific module called example. Let us download the boilerplate and install the dependencies. When I type npm start, the project fires up and we can go to localhost port 3000 to look at the application. The application does not do much, but we can see that when we click the buttons, the signals fire. Looking at the structure, we can see that we are including two modules on the Cerebral controller. Looking into the example module, we can see that the state and signals are hooked up. Now you can start developing your own application modules and bring in other shared Cerebral modules to power up your development. Have fun!